Hello students, myself Professor A.B. Pomni from Residential Junior College Ahmednagar. Today we are going to discuss the methods of measuring price elasticity of demand. Student, elasticity of demand is measured with the help of the three methods. First method, ratio or percentage method. Second method, total expenditure method. And third method, point method or geometric method. These are the main methods of measuring elasticity of demand. Okay student, let us discuss these methods one by one in detail. Now first method is ratio method or percentage method. Ratio method or percentage method is developed by Professor Alfred Marshall. This method is also known as arithmetic method. How elasticity of demand is calculated by using this method. Under this method, elasticity of demand is measured by dividing the percentage change in demand by the percentage change in price. How elasticity of demand is calculated by using this method? Under this method, elasticity of demand is measured by dividing the percentage change in demand by the percentage change in price. It means when percentage change in both, that is in demand and in price, is given, then percentage method is useful to find out elasticity of demand. So this method requires percentage change in demand and in price to calculate elasticity of डिमांड. स्टूडेंट्स, इस पद्धति को अनुपात पद्धति या प्रतिशत पद्धति कहा जाता है, जिसको प्रोफेसर अल्फ्रेड मार्शल ने विकसित किया है। और इस पद्धति का इस्तेमाल कब किया जाता है? जब मांग और कीमत इन दोनों का प्रतिशत बदलाव यानी परसेंटेज चेंज दिया जाता है, तब इस पद्धति का इस्तेमाल करके डिमांड इलास्टिसिटी को निकाला जाता है या डिमांड इलास्टिसिटी को कैलकुलेट किया जाता है। इस पद्धति में मांग की इलास्टिसिटी निकालने के लिए मांग के प्रतिशत बदलाव को कीमत के प्रतिशत बदलाव द्वारा डिवाइड किया जाता है। किस प्रकार इलास्टिसिटी को निकाला जाता है? मांग के प्रतिशत बदलाव को कीमत के प्रतिशत बदलाव द्वारा, मांग के प्रतिशत बदलाव को कीमत के प्रतिशत बदलाव द्वारा, मांग के प्रतिशत बदलाव को कीमत के प्रतिशत बदलाव द्वारा डिवाइड किया जाता है, डिवाइड किया जाता है, डिवाइड किया जाता है। और इस प्रकार मांग की इलास्टिसिटी को कैलकुलेट किया जाता है। ओके गाइज, इन दिस मेथड प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी is measured by using the formula. Here ED means elasticity of demand, and elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Symbolically, ED is equal to percentage delta Q upon percentage delta P. Mathematically, the above formula can be presented as under: ED is equal to delta Q upon Q divided by delta P upon P, and finally ED is equal to delta Q upon Q into P upon delta P. Here Q stands for original quantity demanded, delta Q stands for change in quantity demanded, P stands for original price, and delta P stands for change in price. Okay guys, now let us see the numerical example. Student, in this example, 10 kilogram quantity demanded at price 20 rupees per kilogram. When price goes up to 25 rupees per kilogram, then quantity demand decreases from 10 kilogram to 9 kilogram. In this situation, what is the elasticity of demand? Here, by using the formula, we can calculate the elasticity. In this example, original price P is 20 rupees. New price is 25 rupees. And delta P means net change in price is 5 rupees. Delta P means net change in price is 5 rupees. Whereas original quantity demanded Q is 10 kilogram. New demand is 9 kilogram, and delta Q means net change in quantity demanded is 1 kilogram. Delta Q means net change in quantity demanded is 1 kilogram. So, elasticity of demand is equal to delta Q upon Q into P upon delta P. Elasticity of demand is equal to 1 upon 10 into 20 upon 5. Elasticity of demand is equal to 20 upon 50. Finally, elasticity of demand is equal to 0.4. So here, elasticity of demand is smaller than 1. Elasticity of demand is smaller than 1. Elasticity of demand is smaller than 1. It means elasticity of demand is relatively inelastic. इस प्रकार इस मेथड का इस्तेमाल करके इलास्टिसिटी को कैलकुलेट किया जाता है. Let us discuss the second method, that is total expenditure method. Total expenditure method of measuring elasticity of demand was developed by Professor Alfred Marshall. This method is also known as total outlay method. In this method, total amount of expenditure before and after the price change is compared. It means total expenditure at the original price and total expenditure at the new price is compared with each other, and we come to know the elasticity of demand. How elasticity of demand is calculated under this method? Total expenditure at the original price and total expenditure at the new price is compared with each other, and we come to know the elasticity of demand. So, statistics of total expenditure is used to find out elasticity of demand under this method. स्टूडेंट्स, इस पद्धति को कुल खर्च पद्धति कहा जाता है, जो प्रोफेसर अल्फ्रेड मार्शल ने ही विकसित की है। इसे कुल लागत पद्धति यानी टोटल आउटले मेथड इस नाम से भी जाना जाता है। किस नाम से जाना जाता है इस पद्धति को? कुल लागत पद्धति यानी टोटल आउटले मेथड। टोटल आउटले मेथड इस नाम से भी इसको जाना जाता है। इस मेथड के अंदर कीमत में बदलाव होने से पहले होने वाला कुल खर्च और कीमत में बदलाव होने के बाद होने वाला कुल खर्च, इन दोनों की तुलना करके इलास्टिसिटी को निकाला जाता है। किस प्रकार इलास्टिसिटी को निकाला जाता है? कीमत में बदलाव होने से पहले होने वाला कुल खर्च और कीमत में बदलाव होने के बाद होने वाला कुल खर्च, इन दोनों की तुलना करके इलास्टिसिटी को कैलकुलेट किया जाता है। हियर द टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर रेफर्स to the product of price and quantity demanded. So, total expenditure is equal to price into quantity demanded. Total expenditure is equal to price into quantity demanded. In this connection, Professor Alfred Marshall has given the three propositions. A. Relatively elastic demand. ED is greater than 1 when with a given change in the price of a commodity, total outlay increases, then elasticity of demand is greater than 1। यानी कीमत बदलने के कारण जब कुल खर्च बढ़ता है तब इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड 1 से अधिक होती है। सिंबॉलिकली इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज ग्रेटर दैन 1। देन बी, यूनिटरी इलास्टिक डिमांड, ED is equal to 1 when price falls or rises, total outlay does not change or remains constant, elasticity of demand is equal to 1। यानी कीमत कम होने पर या बढ़ जाने पर जब कुल खर्च बदलता नहीं या स्थिर रहता है तब इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड 1 के बराबर होती है। सिंबॉलिकली ED इज इक्वल टू 1। और आखिरी संकल्पना है रिलेटिवली इन इलास्टिक डिमांड। ED इज स्मॉलर दैन 1 when with a given change in price of a commodity, total outlay decreases, then elasticity of demand is less than 1। यानी कीमत बदलने के कारण जब कुल खर्च कम होता है तब इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड 1 से कम होती है। सिंबॉलिकली ED is smaller than 1. These three propositions can be explained with the help of the example. Student, look at this table carefully. In this table, there are 3 examples, that is example A, example B and example C. In example A, original price is 10 rupees per unit and quantity demanded is 6 units. Therefore, total expenditure incurred is 60 rupees. When price rises to 20 rupees, quantity demanded falls to 5 units. The total expenditure incurred is 100 rupees. In this case, total outlay is greater than original expenditure. Hence, in this example, elasticity of demand is greater than 1. That is relatively elastic demand. In example B, original price is 30 rupees per unit and quantity demanded is 4 units. Therefore, total expenditure is 120 rupees. When price rises to 40 rupees, quantity demanded falls to 3 units. Total expenditure incurred is 120 rupees. In this case, total outlay is same or equal to original expenditure. Hence, in this example, elasticity of demand is equal to 1. That is unitary elastic demand. And in example C, original price is 50 rupees per unit and quantity demanded is 2 units. Therefore, total expenditure is 100 rupees. When price rises to 60 rupees, quantity demanded falls to 1 unit and total expenditure incurred is 60 rupees. In this case, total outlay is less than original expenditure. Hence, elasticity of demand is less than 1, that is relatively inelastic demand. इस प्रकार आज के इस वीडियो में हमने रेशो मेथड और टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड इनके बारे में डिटेल जानकारी ली है. द डिस्कशन रिगार्डिंग पॉइंट मेथड we will do into the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.